Number 1. 1971 Ford F-150, $7,200, Vista, California. This 1971 Ford F-150 long bed is a solid vintage pickup featuring a V8 engine, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and power steering. The odometer is broken, but the truck benefits from new tires and a clean bench seat. With its clean title, rust-free California history, and no smog requirements, it makes an accessible classic driver for enthusiasts seeking a dependable workhorse with timeless styling. Number 2. 1969 Ford F350 4x4 short bed, $6,500, Alamosa, Colorado. Offered with a clean Colorado title, this rare 1969 Ford F350 4x4 is equipped with an automatic transmission, V8 engine, a large winch, and a hydraulic snowplow. Though listed in fair condition with a broken odometer, it remains a functional heavy-duty classic. These short bed four-wheel drive models are increasingly difficult to find, making it a valuable restoration candidate or rugged utility vehicle. Number 3. 1989 GMC 3500 flatbed, $1,500, West Eugene, Oregon. This high-mileage 1989 GMC 3500 offers tremendous utility at a low price. Featuring an aluminum-framed flatbed with pressure-treated lumber, automatic transmission, and clean title, it has served reliably for hauling water. Though cosmetically tired with 227,324 miles, it remains licensed through June 2026. A budget-friendly heavy-duty truck for practical use or parts. Number 4. 1964 Chevrolet C-10 half-ton pickup, $7,999, Highlandville, Missouri. A strong restoration candidate, this 1964 Chevrolet C-10 features a Chevrolet 350 V8 with Edelbrock carburetor, 4-speed floor-shift manual transmission, headers, and dual exhaust. Much of the cab rust has been replaced with welded metal, and a replacement Silverado bench seat is included. The truck comes with numerous new and original parts, a straight 1963 bed, and a clean Missouri title. A partially completed project with great potential for enthusiasts seeking a solid base. Number 5. 1966 Jeep Gladiator J3000 Vigilante, $6,500, Littleton, Colorado. This rare 1966 Jeep Gladiator J3000 4x4, known as the Vigilante, comes with its original winch and custom cab. These Gladiators are prized for their rugged off-road capabilities and classic Jeep heritage. Offered with a clean title, this truck represents a unique piece of Jeep history with considerable collector appeal. Number 6. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle pickup conversion, $8,000, Monroe, Washington. A rare Domus conversion, this 1966 Volkswagen Beetle pickup has Riviera alloy wheels, front disc brakes, and a clean rust-free body. Garage kept with a clean title, it includes a new battery, cover, and tow bar. The quirky styling and dependable Volkswagen engineering make it a standout oddity among classic kit cars, perfect for enthusiasts seeking something unusual yet practical. Number 7. 1988 Mazda B2200 LX, $1,250, Marysville, Washington. This 1988 Mazda B2200 is a project truck with a clean, straight body and Weber carburetor. Though the interior is in good shape, the engine misfires due to likely head gasket failure and coolant issues. It includes extra wheels, tires, and a clean title. At $1,250, it is best suited for someone willing to tackle engine repairs to revive this dependable compact pickup. Number 8. 1989 Ford Dumptruck, $14,000, Los Angeles, California. A heavy-duty work truck with just 21,000 miles, this 1989 Ford Dumptruck features an 8-cylinder gas engine, automatic transmission, 24,500 GVWR, and a hydraulic air gate. Painted bright orange and in good condition with a clean title, it represents a ready-to-work commercial classic with serious hauling capability. Number 9. 1967 Ford F350 Ranger Camper Special, $12,500, Roseburg, Oregon. Equipped with a new crate engine showing only 15,000 miles, this 1967 Ford F350 Ranger Camper Special offers dual fuel tanks, long wide bed, automatic transmission, and clean black exterior. Despite a minor seat tear, it runs strong and sounds excellent. This camper special, with its custom cab trim, is a desirable vintage workhorse and a great driver. Number 10. 1978 GMC High Sierra, $13,000, Gilroy, California. Originally a diesel, this 1978 GMC High Sierra has been fitted with a 454 gas engine but remains titled as diesel, keeping it SMOG exempt in California. With 71,449 miles on the odometer, automatic transmission, and original California blue plates, it remains a patina-rich survivor. The clean, straight body and rust-free condition make it an attractive daily driver or prime candidate for modern upgrades. Number 11. 1970 Ford F100 Ranger XLT, $13,000, Long Beach, California. This 1970 Ford F100 Ranger XLT long bed is powered by a rebuilt V8 engine and automatic transmission with fewer than 5,000 miles on the drivetrain. It carries a clean California title, solid body with natural patina, and runs strong. Perfect as a reliable daily driver, weekend cruiser, or straightforward restoration project. Number 12, 1970 Chevrolet C-10 truck, $12,500, Spokane, Washington. A well-kept 1970 Chevrolet C-10 camper special. This truck has 34,784 miles and a rebuilt 350 V8 with 4-speed manual transmission. Features include tow package, dual exhaust, new tires, and original manuals. While minor cosmetic dings and rust are present, the truck is road-ready with $7,000 worth of maintenance invested. A solid, drivable 3/4-ton classic with a clean Washington title. Number 13, 1996 Ford Ranger, $500, Cascade Park, Washington. This high-mileage 1996 Ford Ranger is a budget pickup at just $500. It runs and drives but suffers from a slipping automatic transmission that requires replacement. The body shows dents and mismatched tailgate, but it carries a clean title and has recent work including new head gasket and timing belt. A practical choice for parts or a low-cost project. Number 14, 1969 International 1100D, $12,500, Sahuarita, Arizona. A rare family-owned short bed pickup, this 1969 International 1100D is powered by a V8 with 4-speed manual transmission and power steering. Recently rebuilt top end and working air conditioning enhance its appeal. Other than newer wheels and tires, it remains original and in very good condition. With only minor issues such as a faulty fuel gauge, this truck represents a scarce and highly collectible international model. Number 15, 1967 Ford Ranger, $11,900, Muskogee, Oklahoma. This well-preserved 1967 Ford Ranger features a 352 V8, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, power steering, drum brakes, original hubcaps, and new exhaust. The odometer shows 61,800 miles, and it has recently received a tune-up and fresh fluids. With tight suspension, solid glass, and 2 new tires, it stands as a clean and reliable vintage Ford driver at a fair price.